Have you ever pondered what type of chosen one you might be? If so, you're not alone. The concept of the chosen one is deeply ingrained in human culture and mythology, symbolizing the belief that certain individuals are destined for greatness or a special mission. These individuals, selected by a higher power or destiny, are endowed with unique abilities, qualities, or insights that distinguish them from others. Their roles are crucial and multifaceted, evident across different cultures and belief systems throughout history. The concept of chosen ones stems from the belief that certain people are destined to fulfill significant roles in the world, often tied to divine purposes. These missions might include leading, healing, teaching, or instigating change. While their journeys are rarely easy, requiring immense courage and sacrifice, the impact of their actions can be profound. Now, let's delve into the 10 types of chosen ones and their divine missions, exploring the depths of their roles and the essence of their calling. The prophet acts as a bridge between the divine and humanity. Endowed with the ability to receive and convey messages from a higher power, prophets often provide guidance, warnings, or revelations. Their mission is to help people understand and follow divine will, often through visions, dreams, or direct communications. Prophets possess a deep spiritual connection that grants them insights inaccessible to others. Their messages, which can range from moral teachings to predictions of future events, are intended to inspire, comfort, or challenge their audiences to change their ways or beliefs. Despite facing significant risks and adversity, true prophets remain unwavering in their mission, driven by a strong sense of duty to the higher power they serve. They are often met with resistance or persecution due to the uncomfortable truths they reveal, yet their conviction and dedication are unshakable. Prophets like Moses and Joan of Arc have left indelible marks on history, illustrating the profound impact of their divine missions. The healer. The healer is a chosen one with the extraordinary ability to heal physical, emotional, and sometimes spiritual wounds. Healers play a crucial role in bringing comfort and relief to those who are suffering. Their presence and actions can be a beacon of hope, offering solace in times of pain and distress. Healers possess a natural gift for understanding and addressing ailments, often through traditional medical practices, holistic approaches, or mystical means. A key attribute of healers is their deep empathy and compassion. They have a profound ability to connect with others on an emotional level, understanding their pain and suffering. This emotional connection helps in the healing process and provides comfort and reassurance to the afflicted. Healers often possess extensive knowledge of various healing modalities, enabling them to tailor their approach to each individual's unique needs, ensuring the most effective treatment possible. Historical figures like Florence Nightingale, who revolutionized nursing and brought healing to countless soldiers, or modern healers like Deepak Chopra, who blends traditional and holistic medicine, embody the essence of the healer's mission. Their work transcends mere physical healing, touching the hearts and souls of those they aid. The Hermit. The Hermit seeks wisdom through solitude and introspection. Unlike those who shun society out of disdain, hermits find deeper meaning and understanding in the quiet and solitude of their own company. This solitary path allows them to explore their inner selves and the mysteries of existence with minimal distractions. Hermits value deep, meaningful connections over a large quantity of shallow ones. Their time spent alone is not about escaping others, but finding a space where their thoughts can roam freely and profoundly. This introspective journey leads to significant personal insights and wisdom, which can be shared when the hermit chooses to re-engage with society. Solitude provides the opportunity for self-discovery, allowing hermits to reflect deeply on life's questions, understand their nature, and gain clarity about their purpose. Despite their preference for solitude, hermits often become valuable sources of wisdom and guidance for others. Figures like the ancient Greek philosopher Diogenes or the mystic poet Rumi exemplify the hermit. Their time in solitude allowed them to cultivate profound insights and wisdom that continue to inspire and guide people centuries later. The Endurer. The Endurer is defined by their remarkable resilience and unwavering determination. Endurers face life's challenges head-on, viewing obstacles not as setbacks but as opportunities for growth. Their ability to persist through adversity and hardship makes them inspirational figures, demonstrating the power of perseverance. Endurers possess an inner strength that allows them to keep going when others might give up, showing resilience that is both physical and emotional. Their steadfastness serves as a beacon of hope and encouragement to those around them. One of the key traits of endurers is their ambition. They set high goals for themselves and are committed to achieving them regardless of the obstacles they encounter. This ambition drives them to continually push their limits and strive for excellence. Examples of endurers include figures like Nelson Mandela, who endured decades of imprisonment while fighting against apartheid, or Malala Yousafzai, who survived a Taliban assassination attempt and continues to advocate for girls' education worldwide. Their stories inspire countless others to persevere through their struggles. The empath. The empath stands out for their extraordinary ability to feel and understand the emotions of others. This deep sense of empathy allows them to connect with people on a profound level, offering support and comfort to those in need. Their compassionate nature makes them natural healers and caregivers, always ready to lend a helping hand or a listening ear. Empaths prioritize helping others, often sensing emotional pain and distress before it is expressed. This intuitive understanding enables them to offer timely and appropriate support, making those around them feel seen and understood. However, the empath's journey is not without its challenges. Their heightened sensitivity can make it difficult to distinguish between their emotions and those of others, leading to emotional overload. Notable empaths include Mother Teresa, whose deep compassion for the suffering led her to dedicate her life to helping the poorest of the poor, and Carl Jung, whose psychological theories deeply empathized with the human condition. Their legacies demonstrate the profound impact of empathy and understanding. The rebel. The rebel challenges the status quo and advocates for change. Driven by a strong sense of authenticity and a desire for personal liberation, rebels feel a deep-seated need to break free from societal norms and constraints. Their role is vital in pushing boundaries, questioning established systems, and inspiring transformation in individuals and communities. Rebels possess a natural inclination to question authority and challenge existing norms. They are not content with simply accepting things as they are. Instead, they seek to understand the reasons behind societal structures and are unafraid to point out flaws and injustices. One of the defining traits of rebels is their commitment to authenticity. They prioritize being true to themselves and their values over conforming to external expectations. This authenticity can be a powerful force, inspiring others to examine their own lives and consider what changes they might need to make to live more genuinely. Prominent rebels include figures like Mahatma Gandhi, who challenged British colonial rule in India through nonviolent resistance, and Rosa Parks, whose refusal to give up her bus seat sparked the civil rights movement in the United States. Their courage to defy the norm has led to significant societal transformations. The seeker. The seeker is driven by an insatiable thirst for knowledge and wisdom. Perpetual learners, seekers devote their lives to understanding the mysteries of the universe, the depths of human experience, and the truths that lie beyond the surface of everyday life. Their quest is not merely for personal enlightenment, but to illuminate paths for others, serving as guides and advisors. Seekers possess an inherent curiosity that propels them to explore new ideas, cultures, philosophies, and disciplines. A defining trait of seekers is their open-mindedness. They approach the world with a sense of wonder and a willingness to question established norms and beliefs. This openness allows them to embrace diverse viewpoints and integrate different forms of knowledge. Seekers are not content with easy answers or superficial understanding. Instead, they delve deeply into complex issues, striving to uncover fundamental truths. Historical seekers like Socrates, whose philosophical inquiries laid the foundation for Western thought, or modern intellectuals like Neil deGrasse Tyson, who popularizes complex scientific ideas, exemplify the seeker's mission. Their dedication to learning and teaching continues to enlighten and inspire. The warrior. The warrior is a chosen one whose role is to defend and protect the innocent. Imbued with courage, strength, and an unwavering sense of duty, warriors confront danger and fight for justice, often putting themselves at great risk to safeguard others. Warriors possess a unique blend of physical prowess and mental fortitude. Their training and discipline prepare them to face various threats, whether in the form of physical battles or moral conflicts. A defining quality of warriors is their sense of duty and honor. They are driven by a strong moral code that guides their actions and decisions. This code emphasizes the importance of protecting the vulnerable, standing up against injustice, and maintaining personal integrity. Warriors are willing to make significant sacrifices, including risking their safety, to uphold these principles. Iconic warriors include figures like Joan of Arc, who led the French army to victory inspired by divine visions, or Martin Luther King Jr., who championed civil rights through peaceful yet powerful activism. Their legacies remind us of the enduring impact of bravery and justice. The leader. The leader is a chosen one called to guide and inspire others. Leaders possess a natural charisma and vision that enables them to motivate and direct people towards common goals. Their mission often involves bringing about positive change and uniting communities or organizations. Leaders are often seen as the face of movements or causes, using their influence to advocate for justice, progress, and unity. One of the key attributes of leaders is their ability to communicate effectively. They can articulate their vision and ideas clearly, inspiring others to follow them. Leaders are also skilled at strategic thinking and decision-making, ensuring that their actions align with their overarching goals. Their leadership is characterized by a blend of confidence, empathy, and integrity. Prominent leaders include figures like Winston Churchill, whose leadership helped guide the Allies to victory during World War II, and Malala Yousafzai, who advocates for girls' education worldwide. Their ability to rally others towards a common cause highlights the transformative power of effective leadership. The visionary. The visionary is a chosen one with the ability to see beyond the present and imagine a better future. Visionaries are often ahead of their time, possessing innovative ideas and a clear sense of direction for the future. Their mission is to challenge conventional thinking and inspire new ways of understanding and interacting with the world. Visionaries are driven by a deep sense of purpose and an unwavering belief in their vision. One of the defining traits of visionaries is their creativity. They can think outside the box and develop original solutions to complex problems. Visionaries are also persistent, often facing skepticism and resistance from those who are comfortable with the status quo. Despite these challenges, they remain committed to their vision, working tirelessly to bring it to fruition. Examples of visionaries include Steve Jobs, whose innovative ideas transform technology and communication, and Leonardo da Vinci, whose inventions and artworks continue to inspire awe. Their ability to foresee and shape the future exemplifies the profound impact of visionary thinking. Conclusion. Do you see yourself fitting into any of these types? Let me know in the comments. You may not fit 100% into one of the types or find that you pick up traits from multiple types, and that is completely normal. Always remember and embrace the fact that you're unique and special. Each chosen one type represents a different aspect of the human experience, and many people may embody a combination of these traits throughout their lives. Recognizing and embracing your unique path can lead to personal growth and fulfillment. If you're still watching, I'd like to thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, please consider clicking the subscribe button. Your support is very appreciated. Feel free to share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and subscribe to Spiritualogs for more insightful videos.